Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about X Money and ask, what exactly is it? So here we are at X.com and we're on the X Money profile. And if you're unfamiliar with X Money, it has been announced to launch in 2025. It is a digital payment service that has been announced but is not yet released. Later this year, it is a service that is partnering with Visa to facilitate the transfer of money from debit cards and bank accounts to X Money accounts. So it allows users to pay each other on the platform. The latest development, X Money aims to become a peer to peer payment competitor with services like PayPal, Cash App, and other similar apps. So this is an interesting thing to consider. It seems to be very much in line with PayPal, and now that's just being brought into the X.com ecosystem. So that's a very interesting development here for X. It is not out yet, but it will be coming sometime in 2025. So, a couple of other things about it. It is going to be partnering with Visa, and Visa is going to enable its American users to use this service and to fund and transfer money in real time with their debit card. So that is quite interesting towards X ambitions to transform into an all encompassing everything app. Furthermore, it also has crypto integration. Although the current announcements focus on traditional payments, there is speculation about the possible integration of cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, or other stable coins into X Money, which could significantly impact the crypto market and mainstream adoption. So, this is really quite fascinating. It's something to keep an eye on. It isn't out at this point, but keep your eyes open because X Money is coming soon. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.